What if I told you there's an AI assistant that doesn't just give you suggestions, but actually does the work for you? I'm talking about building websites, writing code, creating content, managing your schedule, all with minimal input from you. Meet Manus AI, the tool that's changing how we think about productivity. This isn't just another AI chatbot, this is your digital workforce in a single platform. We're all drowning in tasks. Developers spend hours debugging code that could be automated. Business owners juggle 20 tools to manage their operations. Content creators waste precious creative energy on formatting and distribution. And if you're working remotely, the tools just keep multiplying. But here's what nobody's talking about. The real problem isn't that we need more AI tools. It's that we need AI that can actually execute instead of just advise. Most AI assistants give you a recipe. Manus AI cooks the entire meal. Let me show you what makes Manus different. Direct integration. It connects to over 200 apps and platforms you already use. Task execution doesn't just suggest code. It writes, tests, and deploys it. Context awareness understands your preferences, history, and systems. Human collaboration works alongside you, not just for you. But enough talk, let's see it in action. First, for developers. Let's say you have a bug in your e-commerce checkout flow. Simply tell Manus, my checkout page isn't calculating tax correctly on international orders. Instead of just explaining what might be wrong, Manus analyzes your code, identifies the tax calculation function, and fixes it. It then runs tests to ensure everything works properly. Finally, it presents the solution with a clear before and after comparison. For developers, this cuts debugging time by up to 70%. Now, if you're running a business, watch as Manus transforms your marketing efforts. Type, I need to create a campaign to promote our summer sale across our website, email, and social media. Manus immediately begins creating a comprehensive campaign plan, drafting email templates, scheduling social posts, and updating website banners. So Manus reorganizes your calendar, notifies participants, creates agenda templates, and sets up focused work blocks with automatic do not disturb settings. It just became your personal assistant, handling the logistics so you can focus on what matters. For those wondering how this works, Manus uses a proprietary execution framework that combines large language models with specialized action models. The system maintains persistent memory about your preferences and has built-in security protocols that require explicit approval for sensitive actions. You always remain in control. Manus asks for confirmation before executing anything significant. Now you're probably wondering about cost. Manus offers 3 tiers, starter at $29 per month, perfect for individuals and freelancers, professional at $79 per month for teams and growing businesses, enterprise with custom pricing, for larger organizations with specific needs. But here's the real value proposition. When you consider the tools Manus replaces and the time it saves, most users see a 10 times return on investment within the first month. I used to spend 3 hours debugging each issue. Now I spend 15 minutes with Manus and move on to the next task. It's like having an extra team member who works around the clock. My operations have never run smoother. I create twice the content in half the time. The platform-specific formatting alone saves me hours each week. It's the missing piece in the work-from-home puzzle. I'm more organized, more productive, and honestly less stressed. Here's the thing. AI tools are evolving fast, but Manus is already at the frontier of what's possible. It doesn't just assist, it accomplishes. You can try Manus free for 14 days with no credit card required. Just visit manus.ai to get started. Setup takes less than 3 minutes, and the onboarding process will personalize Manus to your specific needs. So, we're entering a new era of productivity where honestly the line between human and AI collaboration is blurring in the best possible way. Manus isn't about replacing your work, it's about elevating it. Just imagine what you could accomplish if the mundane tasks simply disappeared. Manus AI, your AI that does the work. Try Manus free for 14 days at manus.ai and transform how you work. To access Manus AI, you need an invitation code. Click the video on the screen to get your invitation code or check the link in the description.